Harbor Freight is going to be doing a 15% off of one item deal this coming weekend. It's going to be starting for everyone on March 27th, 29th. So it's going to be Friday through Sunday, and ITC should have early access starting on Thursday, the 26th. So the coupon's going to be good for one item only. It's one item per day. So if you're ITC member, you could go all 4 days and get one item at 15% off. In this video, I'm going to show you the items you should consider going for, and many of them are going to be items that viewers are always asking about if there's going to be a deal on, and I'll also throw in the mix of some of the deals to not go for because there's going to be a better deal around the corner. And then the other offering they're going to be doing this weekend is going to be 30% off of one item that's $10 or less. It's not going to be the regular 5 items of 30% off that they normally do. So it's just going to be one item per day per coupon, saving the 30% on it, $10 and less for everyone. All right, so the first recommendation, and I know there's been many of you waiting for a deal on the 56-inch US General box. They haven't been having good deals on them. And in fact, the deal they're going to have coming up in the April Spring Black Friday sale is going to be saving 11% on it, which is $100 off. So if you've been waiting patiently for a good deal on the 56, it might be a good time to use the 15% off on it. And we definitely don't know when or if they're going to be a better deal on them. Usually we might see deals between 20 to 25% off of US General toolboxes, but that will be during a special event, and obviously it's not going to be happening this next month in April. So depending on if you have immediate need, it might be the time to pick it up. So the 56-inch roll cab does retail at $900 at this store, and I have heard from some of you guys that in some other stores or locations they actually have it bumped up to $1,000 for it, which is crazy in my opinion, but it is $900 here, so you could essentially get the box saving 15% on one day, and you could come back the remaining days and then go ahead and go for the work center hutch. That retail price is $500, and there's the end cabinet, the 15-inch one that retails at $280, and then there's the 22-inch end locker priced at $400. So you could build out a total box saving 15% on each item. You just have to go each day to get that 15% off. And next up is going to be the US General 34-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart. This is going to be one that I'm going to say don't go for on the 15% off, because during the Spring Black Friday sale, you're going to be able to save 17% on it. So it will be a few bucks more of savings if you wait for that. And I will be sure to link above in case you missed my videos on the Spring Black Friday sale. You can certainly check it out where I do show majority of the deals and my top recommendations to go for during that sale. Another US General option I would say don't go for on the 15% off is going to be on the 4-drawer tech cart, because they are going to have a better deal on it during the Spring Black Friday. It's going to be priced at $170. The retail at this store is $220, but on the sale flyer for the Spring Black Friday, they say the normal retail is $230. So definitely hold off for that sale in order to save around 26% on it actually. And here's an item that we don't see come up on a deal very often. It's going to be on the Yukon 60-inch 3-drawer wood workbench. The retail price is $160 for this workbench. And I would say based on the wood and everything that's all the materials used in this workbench, you would not be able to build this bench for the price of $160. So it would be a good opportunity to save the 15% on this. And here's a very popular item on the Icon magnetic tool mat. My store has them in stock and they are priced at $25. This would be a good example to use the 15% on, because we never see a deal on these mats. They're very popular. They probably will never have a deal on it. I would be shocked actually if they do. So again, it'd be a good time to save the 15% on this mat. And whatever you do, do not go for the 15% off on an item of a Icon, Doyle, or Quinn pliers, because around the corner, coming up in the April Black Friday sale, you're going to be able to save 35% on them, and it would be no limit on the amount you can get. So definitely don't go for a deal like this on the 15% off on one of these items. If you're getting any value from this video, I would appreciate that you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos, and help me get to that 50,000 subscriber mark, as I will be doing a giveaway on the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I do have that goal to get to 50,000. As soon as the channel reaches that, I'll be doing that giveaway. And I really do appreciate that support. Let's move to the next deal. All right, the next category of items I would say to go for would be on a compressor, because the deals that we normally see on compressors might be between $20 to maybe $40 of discount. So it would be a good time to use a 15% off on one. And just to give you an example here, on the Fortress 5-gallon one, it's rated at 225 psi. It has 2 brass couplers to it. It's rated at 78 decibels. The retail price is $350. so you would be able to pick it up for $297.50, so saving just over $50 on the Fortress. So I know some of you have been waiting for deals on Fortress, and like I said, it would be a good time to save 15% on one, because we just don't see heavy discounts on these normally. Now I know some of you missed the deal on the motorcycle lifts and ATV lifts this last week during the 10 days of deals they were having, where they were 25% off on all of these types of lifts. So if you missed the deal, it might be a good time to go ahead and just still pick it up and save 15% on it. This one, as the example, is the Pittsburgh 1,000-pound motorcycle lift. It reaches a max height of 29.5 inches and a minimum height of 6 9/10 of an inch. It comes with a 7-inch wide tire stop to it as well that goes on this end. They just don't have it on the display. This is normally priced at $600, but with that 15%, you could save $90 on it, making it $510. So it'd still be a decent amount of savings to save the 15% on it. All right, the next recommendation is going to be on some Hercules options, and this one in particular, Hercules 10-inch job site table saw. That's something we don't normally see deals happening on it. Retail at $380, and you'd be able to save $57 on that, making it $323 with that 15% discount. And this to me looks like a direct clone of the DeWalt job site table saw. It has a rack and pinion fence to it, which is really nice to have on a table saw. It keeps the fence parallel to the blade versus other table saws, like as the example on this Warrior one. This is not a rack and pinion fence, so it adjusts, and you can see it kind of moves back and forth. So you have to ensure that it is parallel to the saw blade. Whereas you don't have to do that with the rack and pinion fence. It does stay parallel to the saw blade. And another item that many of you mentioned is a deal on the miter saw stand. Well, they have this Bauer one. It is normally priced at $120, so you can save $18 on that with the 15% off deal. So it would bring it down to $102. All right, the next tool to consider would be on the Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Again, this is like another clone of the DeWalt miter saw. And this one is priced at $350. And you'd be able to save just over $50 on that. So it would bring it down just less than the $300 mark. So it would be a good time to save 15% on it, because again, we just don't see deals on it. And if we do, it might be $50 tops, maybe 40. So it would be a good time to pick it up. And the same thing goes for the miter saw stand by Hercules. They did have a deal on it during the parking lot sale this month, but if you happen to miss out on it, then this miter saw stand does retail at $170. So you could save $25 on that. So it would bring it down to $144. The thing that's nice about this miter saw stand is that these arms do come out. They extend out so you can have larger, longer work pieces to cut. They also come with the built-in wheels as well, so you can move around. And then the legs do fold up nice and compact, so you can easily transport it around. It also has a handle there on the bottom part of the rail. And the cut capacity on this saw is 14-inch horizontal, and you could do crown molding up to 7.5 inches and baseboard up to 6 3/4 of an inch. And if you've been looking to get into the Bauer platform, they have the 6-tool combo kit priced at $250. You would be able to bring it down to $212.50 with this kit with the 15% off. And this kit includes a impact driver, a drill driver, which is a 1/2-inch one, the blower, the oscillating tool, and a 6.5-inch circular saw. It also includes 2 batteries, which is a 1.5 amp hour and 3 amp hour battery, and the charger, and even like a little light as well. So it might be a good pickup there to save the 15% on this kit if you're looking for the Bauer platform. All right, another category of items of not to go for the 15% off is going to be any of the Hercules, Bauer, or Atlas batteries or battery starter kits, because during the April sale, you'll be able to save 30% on them. So definitely don't waste the 15% on it, because you could double your savings in April. But one of the things you could go for would be a Hercules tool or Bauer, especially on the high torque impact wrenches, because they definitely don't normally have deals on them. One of the things you could go for is like the Hercules Ultra Torque Impact Wrench. They have 2 options available in the 1/2-inch one, and this offers 1,500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of fastening torque. It also offers 3 speeds modes to it. So you could opt to go for the kit version, which does include a 5 amp hour battery, and that's normally priced at $250. Or if you're just looking for tool only, that is priced at $190. And they also have a 3/4-inch version of it as well. And this one offers a little bit more breakaway torque at 1,650 foot-pounds and 1,100 pounds of fastening torque. That one is priced at $220. So again, that'd be a good opportunity to save 15% on it. Okay, another category of items to consider using the 15% on would be on a vise. They do have deals on Vises periodically, and sometimes the savings is not the best. And they have either coupons or ITC deals on them. But I know some of you have been waiting on a Vice deal. It might be a good time to save 15% on it, such as this Doyle 6-inch one. It is normally priced at $200, so you'll be able to save $30 on that. All right, the next category item that people ask for deals on is going to be on a drill press. It would be a good time to save the 15% on the big one, the Bauer 17-inch variable speed drill press. It is equipped with a LED work light and laser alignment system. It comes with an 8-amp motor, which is rated at 1.2 horsepower. The price on it is normally $500, but you'll be able to save $75 on that, making it $425. So that might be a decent pickup there, saving the 15%. But do not go for the 12-inch option, because right now there is a better deal for ITC members at $250. That is saving $50, and it's normally priced at $300. So you're saving like an extra $5 more with the ITC pricing. Or you could go for the Bauer 14-inch stationary woodworking bandsaw. It has a 1 horsepower motor. It's normally priced at $600, so you would be able to save $90 on that, making it $510. It would be a decent savings there on this bandsaw, because again, we don't see many deals on it. Now the next option would be on the Hercules portable thickness planer, the 12.5-inch one, as it is normally priced at $400. They did just release a super coupon, saving $50 on that, but if you use the 15% off on it, it would bring it down an extra $10, so it'd be $340. And the next category of items that you don't want to waste the 15% off coupon on is going to be on the Braun lights, simply because next month in April they're going to be 40% off on all of them, and it's no limit of what you could get as far as the number of lights. So definitely a way better deal, saving that 40% instead of the 15%. You could go for their brand new to market, the Franklin portable scaffold that is rated at 500 pounds. This would be great for interior work and painting, and you can even set it up as a little mobile workstation with the planks that are included, how they have it showed here in the picture. So you can either stand on it or set up a miter saw on it. And it might be a good alternative to a miter saw stand if you need something that has more versatility, such as this. It also comes with a side tray. You could store tools and paint on it. And this unit does fold up nice and compact for easy transportation and storage. The retail price is $130. So saving the 15% on that would bring it down to $110.50. So it might be a good time to pick one of these up, especially it's a new item that they just released in the stores. And we might not see an awesome deal on them just yet because it is a new item. And another deal I'm going to discuss that Harbor Freight just released yesterday is a bundle savings deal. It's on a car wash bundle kit. And here's what the flyer looks like. So what you're going to get is a bucket, car wash, a wash mitt, and a towel for only $20. They say it's a $36 value. And this deal is going to be good until April 4th. So if you need those items to start washing your car here, coming up in the springtime for some of you guys that are in the northern states. So this is one of the items here. That's the Ultra Plush Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt. The retail price on that is $7. And here's the Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Solution, which is 2 quarts, 64 ounces. That's normally priced at $14. And they're also throwing in the mix the Grant's Drying Towel. It's the 2XL Ultimate Microfiber one. That's 36 inches by 24 inches. This towel is awesome. I have one myself, and it's nice and soft. People love them. It's a very popular towel if you don't have one already. The retail price on that towel is $11. And don't forget, the last item of that bundled deal is going to be on the Harbor Freight 5-gallon bucket. It is a $4 value, and obviously we do stock up on the free buckets when they offer them, so why not get another one with that bundled deal of only $20 to get all those items. I think it's decent savings, especially if you need it. Go ahead and pick it up, and you do have until April 4th. And another category of items not to go for with the 15% off is going to be on the Icon, Doyle, and Quinn screwdrivers and screwdriver sets, because like the deal for the pliers that they're going to be having in April is going to be combined with the screwdrivers as well. So 35% off on the screwdriver sets and by the different brands of the Icon, Quinn, and Doyle. So definitely wait until then to pick it up for the 35% off versus wasting a 15% off coupon on it. And another general category of items I would say don't use the 15% on is going to be on a jack, because we normally see discounts greater than the 15% on them. So unless you have immediate need for one, then just be patient for a good deal on the jack that you are looking for. And here's another item not to go for. It's going to be on the Yukon 9-drawer 46-inch storage cabinet. The retail price is $360, but if you save 15% on it during the upcoming April sale, they're going to have it for $300, which is saving 16%. So you will save a few extra bucks more if you do wait until April. And here's another item I'm going to recommend waiting on. It's going to be on the US General 5-tier boltless steel shelving unit, because it is normally priced at $140, and then during that sale you're going to be able to save 28% on it, making it $100. So definitely do not use the 15% on this. All right, that's going to be the items I'm going to recommend going for or staying away from for this 15% off deal for this weekend. Let me know down in the comments below what you're going to get. I do respond to all comments, so be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos to help my channel reach that 50,000 subscriber goal, so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really do appreciate that support, and I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.